Grabbed this truck today. First time it's seen light since I think '84. All right, I'm gonna help jack it up, so I just want to show you guys real quick. All right, there's where it's home. I gotta come back and get the bed. And then the original cab, which it was hit by a car. And it's damaged down there. That's why the new cab. But all the interior is still in there. Original seat, it's in perfect shape. Original dash, it's a Cheyenne. It's not gonna focus, but it's dark in here. Rear slider window. And then the bed. Needs some work here. I'll probably just get a new bedside. And there is all the interior parts. So, there we go.
That went easy, bro.
It should. Oh yeah.
Easy?
Easy. I can hear the compression. Well, today's the first day it's seen light in over 30 years. It's been in there since '84. The title was transferred in '84. Inside, it's pretty solid. It's a 350 motor. It has AC. Here's the cruise control diaphragm right here. We're getting ready to blow out the cab. It was in an old body shop, so it's covered in like Bondo dust, and we're just gonna blow it out. And for the most part, she's solid. The bottom has this rubberized undercoating on it. I'm debating if I want to pull it all off and just get the frame sandblasted rather than wire wheeling it. I like the original rally wheels. I have all the center caps. cleaned up pretty good. There's some areas that I think it's just the paint peeling down in here. And I can get in there with a wire wheel and coat it. It's just a little surface rust. Look at the roof. It's like perfect. I just count the bolts. It is the 12 bolt rear end. I thought it was a 10. Hey, I'll take a 12 bolt. We started some body work probably back in the 80s. I'll probably get rid of all that and start over. Make sure the bottom is good clean metal. And then I'll wire wheel and coat the inside and cover it with some good new carpet. Now this is an original AC truck with cruise control. This is not the original cab. The original cab I gotta go get yet. It was hit in the door right down in here and it's pushed in about a foot. So that wasn't repairable, and the guy in the 80s was driving somewhere up north and saw this cab on the side of the road for sale, and he picked it up for like $100. So I gotta go get that. So I have the AC stuff, the heater stuff, the steering wheel. It's a Cheyenne edition, so I want to put all the Cheyenne dash and everything back on there. I got another back window in the original cab with the factory slider. My wife really wants that. This is going to be a gift for my wife's 40th birthday. It's coming up next year. So I think I'm going to call around and see what it will be to sandblast the frame rather than just wire wheeling it. Save me some time. There's nothing holding the body down except the 4 body bolts right now, so that'll be 10 minutes to take it off with my lift. And then just roll it over to the sandblaster, have them sandblast it. I don't know how deep I'll go into the sandblasting. I might take off all the suspension parts and have those sandblasted individually. My big dilemma right now is I have a 5.3 LM7 motor with decently low miles sitting in the back that I want to put in here. Do I do it now, or do I play around with the low mileage 350? Throw an intake and a carb on there, maybe a MSD distributor, and call it good, and just rip this for a while. I'm trying to do this on a budget. I want to do the bones of it right, so that way when I want to airbag it or whatever, it's all clean and good to go. And I don't have to strip the whole truck down again to paint the frame, so I'm gonna get that done now. There's no scaling on it or anything really. Wire wheeling it and stuff would probably be fine, but I hate painting over rust. So I don't know, tell me what you guys think. It'll be a few weeks before I get to that. But I love this thing. I'm super excited. It's a real barn find. Been sitting for over 30 years. And there's my helper today, trying to take my money in my slot machine. Turn her a little.
Yep. A little bit more. All right. Now we're gonna have to come back this way when we get us past these buckets. Other way. Keep going, one more big one. You got one more in you? Sure. There we go.
Put some ass behind it,
Right? Perfect. That's probably good.
to use a truck adapter on one side.
I'll put it right up here. Yeah, right on the crossover for the tranny. Good? Yep. Going up.
So I got it up on the hoist now. So I got it up on the hoist now, just kind of looking around. Everything looks solid inside. It's a good coating under here. It's got the 350 tranny. This side looks good too. Fuel tank's in the way. Looks good. I just want to show you under here. There's an oil leak. Heck, even the wheel bearings and everything are good in there. That'd be a lot of wire wheeling. So if I take it, I even take the engine cradle off and everything. It was all sandblasted independently. And then just do a nice coat of paint. Took the drums off already.